In this video, I'm going to show you the best poses for a corporate headshot. As a full-time headshot photographer for the past decade, these poses make up the majority of my client work. And everyone moves and poses a little differently, so it's important to try a few because you never know what might work best for you. If you need a full crash course on preparing for your professional headshot session, check out my course in the description below. There, I'll guide you through the whole process, from finding a photographer to how to smile, to how to best use your headshot online. Okay, let's get started. We're going to start with a few standing poses designed to be viewed mid-chest or shoulders up. These are great for LinkedIn, social profiles, avatars, email signatures, etc. Your hands won't be visible, so just let them hang at your sides or put them in your pockets. Make sure your shoulders don't bunch up like this though. Straight on. A straight-on pose with your shoulders square to the camera tends to be very strong and assertive, but it can make you look a little broad depending on your body type and clothing. Either way, remember to push your forehead in a bit and let your chin down. Don't tuck it. Make sure you look right into the camera. For a variation, you can make a slight turn to the left or right, but remember to bring your head back around to the camera. This pose is a good bet for most people and body types. You can push the angle a little more, but stop short of 90 degrees. You have to experiment with the head turn too to see what looks good. Make sure to maintain your eye contact with the camera, otherwise you'll look a little distracted. Keep the smile natural. No need to overdo it. Vertical poses, roughly hips up, are great when you want a couple of different crops of the same image. Say a tight crop for the website bio and a longer crop for flexibility in your marketing materials. Think signs, ads, presentations, etc. They're also fantastic for making group composites of your team. We'll start with a straight-on pose here too. Remember to hinge forward slightly, and it's a good idea to mix up your hands a bit. You just don't want them doing the exact same thing. So put one hand in a pocket, for example. You can also shift your weight from one foot to the other to help you relax. Though simple, these details add up to help you look very relaxed and natural. Moving along, we can add a slight turn to the left or right. And remember to bring your head back around to the camera again for the best engagement with your audience. For a variation, place your hand on a jacket button like you're actually buttoning your jacket. Avoid making a fist though. Keep your fingers relaxed with a slight bend. Speaking of buttons, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying the video. Thanks. You can always try crossing arms in any of these setups. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of crossed arms because it works a lot less than most people want to admit. If you're wearing any sort of a fitted suit jacket, crossing your arms will just pull your shoulders and squeeze your shirt or blouse. This looks sloppy on camera. Guys, for some extra style points, try playing with your shirt cuff or watch. This is a very GQ look, but it works. Properly fitted sleeves are essential to pull this off as well. And ladies, a quick tip for longer hair. When posing with a slight turn to the left or right, try pushing your hair off the front shoulder. Even if you prefer your hair down in front, give this a try. You just might love the really clean shoulder and jawline effect this look creates. And for a traditional but effective look, fold your hands in front. Bring your hands up a bit will create space near your elbows, and this negative space, though subtle, will add some visual slimming to your torso. There you have it, a bunch of simple posing options for a corporate headshot. Remember, we all move a little differently, so it's important to try a few options. What works for your colleagues might not work for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Share it with a friend too. Sharing the video is a subtle way to tell your friends that it's time to update that 10-year-old headshot. If you want more help preparing for your headshot, check out my Headshot Maximizer course in the description below. There's even a special coupon code for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.